In this video, I'll be walking you through on how to create a server action to reset purchase orders. So the first thing I want to do is make sure I'm in debug mode, and I'm going to navigate to server actions. From here, I'm just going to create a new server action, call it reset PO. And I want to make sure the type is set to update record. The model is going to be purchase order. And we want to make sure that we're updating the status or state field to draft or to RFQ. From here, we want to create a contextual action, so that way we can click the cogwheel within the purchase order and actually run the action on the purchase order. So now I'm just going to make a purchase for an item. Confirm the order. And I'll just go through the receipt process to essentially receive it in our inventory. And now, for example, if we had made a mistake and we received this item too soon or by accident, I'm now just going to issue a return to return this item back to the vendor, or essentially to zero out and cancel the inventory move. So now that we have returned the item, we essentially now have our two transfers, the original receipt and then the return going back to cancel out that inventory move. And now I'm just going to click the cogwheel, choose our contextual action of reset PO, and that's going to move the purchase order back to the RFQ stage. From here, we can, edit any information, the quantity, add more products, change the dates, whatever we might need to. But now we can go ahead and confirm the order. That's now going to generate a third receipt where we can now wait for the proper date that we would actually receive these items in. We're also able to do this in mass by going to the list view of our purchase orders and selecting multiple orders, clicking the action button and reset PO. So we can see all those purchase orders are now moved to the RFQ status. If you have any questions, please contact the email address in the link in the description. Thank you.